Hi, today I'll show you how to replace camera glass on the S6 Edge, or you can use S6 too, or 6 Edge Plus. It's gonna work same way. So you just have to buy pretty much new camera glass. You can buy it off eBay or whatever you like. So you just need to have a sharp knife or something is gonna just go between those things and just pull them out pretty easily and just go around in the corner. It comes off pretty easy. Depends how it's cracked. Pretty much pull out this old one and just use new one. It's got double-sided glue. And just stick it in and you have pretty much new glass. Thanks for watching.